not to save up all the energy you lost during the day. Both body and brain remain very active at night, as anybody who has ever had a dream can tell you. So why do we spend 1/3 of our life sleeping? We think it's because the brain needs the time to process the information you have taken in during the day. Yep, while you're asleep, your brain is busy at work imprinting the memories you encountered that day. Studies show that when your sleep is interrupted, or you don't get enough of it, the information you've taken in suffers. The science is super, but we're going to deal with one familiar problem. The 3 p.m. meeting, or the dreaded NAPTO.
Just so you're clear, everything is right in our building. And I mean everything. We need this. Don't blow it.
Ah, the Dander 500.